Hi guys, hello and welcome back to stream again. So how you are doing? In this video we are going to see about the top 3 wireless earphones that you can buy under 3500. We have listed top 3 and these are the things, and we are going in an ascending order. Descending order, right? So in the third place is the Samsung Uflex. As we all know that Samsung is a South Korean manufacturer and it is a quality manufacturer also. And Samsung Uflex has so many features, and it is especially made for those who are very much involved in exercise and workouts and all these things. And Samsung Uflex is actually very flexible. That's why it named as Uflex, which means flexible. Fine. So you can easily flexible in your neck. This neckband is, and you can usually do workouts along with this Samsung Uflex. And it also has magnetic strips that can attach the two earbuds along with their sides. So these are the things. And regarding its positive is that it is a very good uh, headband for an active lifestyle. For example, if you are a person who likes to jog so much, who like cycling, and who do lot more workouts in the gym, this is your headphone. So this is your neckband. You can easily do workouts along with it. And the other positive is that it is sweat proof, so you don't need to worry that its electronic things will get damaged because of your sweat. So it is totally sweat proof. And regarding voice assist, it is also having a voice assist, and the greater part is that it has two mics within it. So even if one mic get damaged, the other mic will help you. And it also has a two device connection. So if you are listening music in your other Bluetooth devices, and you also connect to your mobile phone so that you can attend calls, that is, you can connect with two phones. For example, if you are a business person and you need to use two phones, you can also connect with both the two phones. So it is a two device connectivity. So these are the positives. And when we comes to its negatives, so it has some negatives, like that it might gets damaged quickly. So even though they give two mics, the mic gets damaged because of some reasons we don't know. Fine. And it has a battery backup of 8 to 9 hours, but it is not enough. So its competitors were giving so much good battery backup than that of Samsung Uflex. And if you take the Samsung Uflex in considering Indian national rupee, it is about 3300 to 3400. Even the low headphones in the range of 3100 giving a 20 hours backup, but this is only giving 8 to 9 hours. So it is a drawback for Samsung Uflex. And it regarding bass, its bass is not that much impressive, and it is not up to the standards. And you can enjoy if you want a little bass. Okay, that's all it is. And regarding connectivity issues, if you connect, okay, so if you connect with two devices, then you will face some connectivity issues like disconnection occasionally. But if you are connecting it with one devices, it is fine, there is no problem with that. And it is no waterproof. Even it is sweat proof, it is not giving you the waterproof quality, because when you are doing exercise along the swimming pool, if it is fall into it uh, unconsciously, then there is no proof that it will be clear. Fine. So these are the things. And when we go for rating, so we can give a rating of for the sound quality as 3.8 by 5, and for bass it is 3 by 5. For battery it is 4.3 by 5, and connectivity it is 3.6 by 5 because of the connectivity used. So for a total it gets 3.7 bar 5. So this is the thing. So who can buy this Samsung Uflex? So it is for the person who do lot more exercises and who listens music, not a music lover, but listen music while they are working out. So this Samsung Uflex is for you. So regarding, so let's move up to the next number two. So it is Sony. So Sony WIC 400. This is the headset that if neckband that we are going to see. So Sony is, we all know, it's a Japanese manufacturer, and it has a lot more trust among the people. And Sony is also running and separate Sony Music. So we all know. So they are giving so much importance for the music and especially for the sound quality and the lyrics. Okay, so they are very much good in that, because if you take all the Sony products, especially the headphones, the headphones, the earphones, and all these things, the sound quality is pretty very much good in all the Sony products. Like the same manner, it is carry over to Sony WIC400 also. So regarding the budget, it starts from 3100 to 3300 in Indian national rupees, and it slightly varies depend upon the seller. So these are the things. And regarding specification, it has a lithium ion battery which gives you battery backup of 20 hours, which is very much higher than that of the Samsung Uflex that we have seen before. And it gives you the full capacity of the battery if you charge it for 4.5 hours. So for example, if you charge for 4.5 hours, then you can enjoy your music for 20 hours. So this is the thing that given by Sony. Fine. So, and it is also real, we have checked it. And regarding Bluetooth connectivity, it has a very good Bluetooth connectivity with a range of 30 feet. Okay, so from your Bluetooth devices you can move apart up to 30 feet. So this is the range that is given. And the regarding the controls is given in an integrated manner. For example, the play and pause button and the call, accept and reject button were all the same. Okay, so it is like an integrated system. The buttons are integrated system, you need to use to it. So that's somewhat tricky, right? So regarding the positives, so if we take the positives, Sony has a very good sound quality. Okay, even you can listen to the lyrics very clearly, and it has a decent bass up to the standards, and it is not that um, that much very low. So it is more than enough and it will satisfy you, that's for sure. And regarding battery life, it has a very good battery life and it will give you a battery life of 20 hours, that's for sure. And it has a very good earbuds. So we need to mention it that the earbuds are very much in the softer side. So when you are putting it in your ears, it give you a so much comfort that you can enjoy your music for the whole 20 hours. There will be no issues. And regarding the weight, it is very much very light in weight even with that battery backup. So if you take Samsung Uflex, it is somewhat weight aside with less battery backup, but Sony WIC400 is giving you a very good battery backup. Fine. And regarding noise cancellation, the noise cancellation is more than enough for you. And regarding the negatives, it is not given with Bluetooth 5.0, but Samsung Uflex is giving you the Bluetooth 5.0, but Sony is not giving you. So Sony is giving you Bluetooth 4.2. So it won't be a problem because 4.2 is more than enough for you for a good connectivity. And regarding connectivity issues, so after you say you are using more than 1 year and above, there is slight connectivity issues, but it is not occurring frequently. It occurs occasionally, so there won't be a problem. And regarding calls, so when you are calling to someone with C400 within indoors, it is okay, but when you go outdoors, it is become tricky to um, to make your voice clear in the high traffic. So it is very tricky. Fine. And regarding pairing, so pairing is also become tricky because WCI 400 will keep a memory of the previous device that is connected to it. So when the Bluetooth connectivity of the previous device is available, it directly connects to it. So when you are connecting to a new mobile device which is not familiar with with your WCI 400, then you need to press the power button for a longer time to make it reset for the pairing. So it becomes a tricky, so it needs to be used to. So these are the negative sides of Sony WIC 400. And regarding the rating, so we can give the sound quality at 3.95 bar 5, bass 3.5 bar 5, a battery 4.5 bar 5, and connectivity 3.7 bar 5. So this are it. So summing up a total, it gets 3.9 bar 5. So that's why you placed it in number 2. So let's we move on to number 1. Before that, so who can buy? Okay, so for whom this WIC 400 of Sony will suits. So for those who are looking for a good neckband with good sound quality and a good earbuds along with a good battery backup of 20 hours, you can sure buy it. If you want a deep and high bass, then WIC 400 is not for you. If you want to listen music and the lyrics, then WIC 400 is for you. Fine. So let's move up to the first one, that is VCool Moonwalk X3. So VCool is an Indian manufacturer and it is based in Bangalore. Fine. So this Moonwalk X3 is exclusively available only in Amazon and it is not available with Flipkart. Fine. So Moonwalk X3 is giving you so much features, and it is nearly, it's not at all a neckband. It is a Bluetooth in-ear phone. Okay. So with uh, with Moonwalk you can do lot more stuffs, and it has the specifications with the latest Bluetooth connectivity 5.0, and it gives you 100 hours battery backup. So if they are claiming 100 hours battery backup, it's not that the earphone itself has that much amount of battery capacity. It's not. The manufacturer is giving you with the earbuds along with the package. They're giving you a inbuilt uh, uh, power bank. Okay, with that power bank you can easily charge your earbuds when it is resting. Just put it inside the power bank and it will get charged up when it is in rest. So that's what they are claiming, that 100 hours is not at all a issue. So that's what they are claiming. And regarding that power bank, you can also charge your mobile phones with that. Fine. So these are the positives, and you can also charge your mobile phones, that not at all issues. And it is a one touch finger. Okay, so when you touch one side with your finger, then the call will be accepted, and if you click on another side like left side, then the call will be rejected. Or else you can play in your playlist forward and backward with one single touch. So that is a very welcome move, and it is sweat proof, and it directly fit into your ears and not at all falling down. So these are the positives. And it also have magnetic charging, so the charging is very much quicker than that of a normal headset charging. Fine. And regarding other positives is that it connects to your devices within 20 seconds. Okay, it connects to the nearby Bluetooth device within 20 seconds, and the clarity of the sound is very much good and clean, and the bass is more than enough for you to enjoy the bass. And it has a decent bass, not at all very much deeper, so it has a very decent bass. And regarding connectivity, it gives you a connectivity range of 30 feet from your Bluetooth device. Okay, regarding negatives, it has some negatives in noise cancellation, that the voice of yours is not clear to other person in some cases, but not in every case. Fine, so that's a negative. And the volume button, you can't control the volume of your music with the help of the earphones. You need to get your mobile phone out of your pocket and you need to change the music volume. Fine, so this is a problem with that. And if you are using it for longer periods, say 2 hours and above, then your ears get some pain, because the earbuds are somewhat in harder side. And if you uh, if you use it for longer run, say 1 year or 2 year and above, there is some uh, working problems. Okay, so but that not at all issues, that is not at all happening in every headset, but in some headset, right? And regarding rating, so rating is that, if you see rating, we can give the sound quality 4.2 bar 5 and bass 3.8 bar 5, and for battery life it's 4.2 bar 5 and connectivity 4.5 bar 5, and total we gave 4 bar 5. So this is the total, and that we are summing up, and that's why we are giving number one position for. Hope you like this video. So show your love in the form of likes and comments. So tell us in the comment section below, so in which headset that you are going to buy, or else if you are using some of the headphones, tell us what we have missed. So that's it. And I think you already subscribed to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos and our updates. Also visit our website www.streamswitch.blogspot.com for better updates if you like reading. Fine. So until then, it's signing off. Stream. Take care.